Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to uninstall TeamViewer. So let's have a look now. To uninstall TeamViewer first, access the Control Panel. In the Control Panel on Windows, look for Programs or Programs and Features. Scroll through the list of installed programs to find TeamViewer. Click on it to select it for uninstallation. Click on Uninstall. You might be prompted to confirm the action. Once confirmed, TeamViewer will be uninstalled from your system. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.